everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix emails not showing on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, tap on your Apple ID. Now scroll below. Then here you will be able to find an option that says iCloud. Tap onto it. Inside iCloud, simply select Mail. And just like that, you have to make sure use on this iPhone is turned on. After that, head back to settings again. Scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for mail app and then tap onto it. Now tap on mail accounts. Now select the email account you're having issues with. Tap onto it and just like that, make sure mail is toggled on. If it's already on and still not working, tap on delete account and then tap on delete from my iPhone. Then go back to accounts and then tap on add account and then sign in again. And after that, inside mail accounts, you need to go and simply tap on fetch new data and make sure push is turned on. After that, try checking your inbox again. Also check your junk folder. Sometimes email get filtered incorrectly. So head back to your home screen, open up the mail application. Inside here, open the junk folder or spam folder and then look for missing messages. Also, you can disable privacy filters. If the issue remains, adjust these settings. Inside settings, you need to go and simply tap on mail. You can now scroll down and then tap on privacy protection. You need to go and simply turn off protect mail activity and then turn off hide IP address. These can sometimes block email loading. And that should fix your iPhone email issues. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.